up, adult doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff buyer's guide. Today we are looking at Barbie. They have several products out right now that have a self-care theme. I thought this was very appropriate right now because it's a new year, everyone has their New Year's resolutions, and I know self-care is on the top of my list. I tried out some pore strips the other day on Instagram. Let's just say it wasn't a pleasant experience, but I'm trying. But self-care and dolls? Now this I can do. This is Breathe With Me Barbie, priced at $29.99. It has 5 guided meditations, lights and sounds. I've seen it in other skin tones online, but this is the only one I was able to find at my local Targets. We saw these popping up at the end of last year, priced at $14.99 at Target. These are fully articulated dolls with lots of accessories and a puppy. One is themed around home spa care, has bath bombs. Another one is all about fitness, and this one is totally about chill time. The Fizzy bath playset has water play. This was also around $30. Looking at the packaging, I think the doll only has the basic 5 points of articulation, but I really like the tub, so I'm interested in checking it out. And our succulent accessory pack finally shipped from Amazon. I think this goes well with the whole self-care theme. It looks like the panda pot right here matches the one in the Fizzy bath playset. Let's start with Breathe With Me Barbie. We can test it out by touching the moon necklace.
Breathe in and out with me.
Definitely giving off some relaxing vibes there. On the back of the box, there is a large picture of the doll. On the side, it says press to start, and it looks like it comes with emotion keys to show how you feel. Let's take this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, it comes with instructions listing all of the contents. You can see the 2 different skin tones. Then it shows how to activate the doll and what you can expect. The different feelings are represented by emojis and they go into the dog. This doll is battery operated and it shows how to replace the batteries. Here are the different emojis. They don't have written out names or feelings, so you can decide what the feelings are. This one is a little rain cloud, so I'm gonna say it's sad. This looks like anger to me, happy, and love. Take the puppy and place your emoji right in his head. Yep, just like that. I should place this on my desk, and when you come into my office, I'll be like, you wanna know what mood I'm in? Look at the pup. The Barbie is wearing adorable pajamas. I absolutely love this little top. It has a cloud and a rainbow. It is all one piece, no Velcro in the back. Then she has cloud pajama pants. They have an elastic waistband and are made out of a knit t-shirt-like material. The necklace is painted on and her little moon charm is embedded in her skin because it is a button. If you keep pushing the button, it's not gonna turn off. It just changes what it says. And she has like 5 different things. The more you push it, the more you keep cycling through all of the different things that she says. You really just gotta let it run its course. It takes about a minute until it stops talking, maybe a little less. I just timed it and it was a little under 28 seconds. But while I was listening to her, I was like, this is some really cool stuff. I could really sit down and meditate with this doll. Let's give it a try.
Imagine your feelings are fluffy clouds. Now let's breathe in and out like this.
Feel better? No joke! I am actually loving the whole concept here. Let's check out her articulation. She has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip. That looks like a made-to-move knee and ankle. I like that this is an interactive doll that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Place her on your desk and remember to meditate throughout your workday. These dolls do not teach you meditation, but they do have a really fun theme and lots of accessories. We showed this one in our giant Mattel haul right before Christmas. I picked up a second one because I want another pair of the pajamas. I love the palm leaf print. The top velcros in the back. We have an elastic waistband around the shorts. It has a tray, cup of hot cocoa, a little journal. It's black. I love the gold colored cell phone. Here's a dog with a little eye mask, some house shoes. The house shoes are a little large. They keep sliding off. A little bit of a Cinderella factor there. We have a laptop and a pillow. Oops. The pillow is made of plastic. Oh, I really would have loved to have seen this in fabric, but it could still work in our dioramas. The doll comes wearing another sleep mask. She has articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee. These are not made to move joints. They are like the original fashionistas when they first came out, only this doll has flat feet. I'm okay with this articulation. The legs don't really go out to the side much, but they do go forward and back, which is still okay in my book. Because I prefer this articulation over the basic 5 points. This Barbie is ready to work out. She comes with a water bottle, a puppy size weights, Barbie size weights, a gym bag that you can put stuff in, a hula hoop, a yoga mat and a brace to hold it, and a paperboard energy bar. I kinda wish this was made of plastic. She wears a tank top that says Girl Power, a Velcros in the back, workout pants with an elastic waistband, a watch, and a pair of white sneakers. She has the same articulation as the previous doll. After the gym, the dolls can relax with this playset. We get a puppy, a box of bath bombs, a candle, rubber ducky, house shoes, magazine, brush, neck pillow, and a small towel or blanket, and 2 cucumber paperboard eye mask. I'm okay with the paperboard magazine because, magazines are made of paper. However, I would have liked to have seen the cucumbers have a little bit more dimension. The house shoes are a little loose, so just be aware when playing. The doll comes with a terry cloth headband, a wraparound towel that velcros in the front, and is fully articulated. And she goes perfectly with the Fizzy bath playset. Out of the box, we get 5 packets of fizz powder, a dog, a doll with a painted on bathing suit, and a towel that can be velcroed around the waist. And she actually does have more than 5 points of articulation. She has movement at the head, shoulder, hip, and knee. There is a bottle of shampoo and conditioner, a panda pot with a small succulent. The plant is removable, a bar of soap, a sponge, a pink tray that some of the items can fit. I want to say this is a back brush, like a back scrubber, hairbrush, some kind of brush, a pink hand towel, a very sleek bathtub. I think this is one of my favorite bathtubs created by Barbie so far, like ever. It's very, very clean. It's white, slided up to the faucet that has a little plant, and it looks like a small storage area on one side. Attach the small shelving unit, giving us more storage for the accessories. Place the tray across the tub so the doll can take a bath. I'm not a huge fan of placing my dolls in water, but I need to see how this Fizzy bath powder works. Make sure to do this next part on a protected surface. Pour water into the bathtub, open one of the packets, Just gonna make a small tear. Trying to stay really, really neat here. All right, empty the contents into the water. There you go. The water turned blue, we had a little fizz, and now it looks like it is ready for the doll, if you choose to place your dolls in water. Or we can carefully cut some of the bubbles from the packaging, lay it on top, and pretend like the doll is taking a bath. Here is the succulent accessory pack. It comes with a shallow pot that has dirt and some plants in it, another plant that you can put in the soil, a watering can, shovel, and a panda pot for the little plant. And it is the same pot that is in the Fizzy bath set. I really like the way all of the packaging matches, but now that we've unboxed everything, we have all this packaging left over. Let's find a way to recycle some of this packaging. The walls on this box are 12.5 inches. That's about the same as the individual boxes. There are so many little cuts on this packaging. I carefully remove all the plastic and glue them flat. On this larger box, I'm gonna lift that little piece so this all becomes flat. Use tape underneath it to secure it. Take the single boxes and glue them onto the sides to make a platform with 2 side walls. I would love to use the existing background, but there are just too many cuts in the paperboard. So I cover it with a white brick scrapbook paper, using a glue stick to glue around the corners to make a large back wall. Cut the paperboard boxes, glue them together to span the length of the walls, cover with scrapbook paper, cover the small platform to match, glue the walls onto the floor, add a few plants, and a pillow that is only stuffed with a layer of felt or fleece to make a meditation room that we could also use for yoga, a bath, or a quiet place to chill. We could place our meditation doll on the platform, and then she can teach a class to our other dolls. Best of all, this was an easy room that we made by recycling the doll's packaging. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some of the self-care themed Barbie dolls and playsets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.